guys, so I came home from 12 hours straight university and I got a package and it's great and I'm really excited about that, so I'm gonna open it now. And actually it's snowing in Germany, so I do still have the feeling of winter. So yeah, it's not like it's hot and stuff like that, like it's in Australia. In Germany it's all over the news, like you have a heat wave or something. So now I just have to figure out how to open it the best way. So I hope you all had wonderful Christmases. I'm like super busy because I'm just freaking out a little bit about exams right now, and yeah, just stuff. Okay, so I got things. Kangaroo. Okay. That's funny. I think it's a stuffed animal. Is it? I don't know. I mean, do you actually eat kangaroo? I don't even know that. It would be weird if this is kangaroo meat in here. Okay. I will open that later. I don't know. Have you guys ever eaten kangaroo? Do you do that in Australia? I know that you can eat whale in Iceland, so that would be such a weird thing. That's cute. I love koalas. That's nice. Oh, and you have to put it in the camera. Sorry. I like that there's so much. Oh, there's a boomerang. Yay! Cool. It's a bookmark. That's great because I never had one. And I always... Is that Vegemite? Okay. That's funny. I think that's something like Marmite. That's so funny. Because I keep telling people in Germany about Marmite and they're like, no, I don't know about that. That's weird. How can you do that? So now I have the proof that there's something similar. I think that's something similar. Am I wrong? Prove me there. I will try it. Yeah. That's so funny. What's so good about Vegemite? I like that. Kevin, thank you so much. That's so great. And I have another koala. Yeah, no, it's a kangaroo. It's a kangaroo. Okay, that's so cool. And I have a card, which I will show you, but I will not read out right now. So... Okay, I will be warned. I will try that. I can make a video of me trying that. I don't know if you want that. I know that I think like Marmite is weird. I don't know. I just have to eat like one bite and that's all. I can't eat more of Marmite. Maybe Vegemite is different. We will see. So, thank you so much, Kevin. That was so great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, I hope you all have a wonderful week. And yes, Kevin, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.